In the fast-paced world of software development, delivering high-quality, customer-centric solutions requires more than just effort. It demands a methodical approach. Enter Extreme Programming, XP, a lightweight yet powerful Agile framework that revolutionizes how teams build software. XP is all about embracing change and delivering value continuously. It's about working closely with customers, fostering collaboration within teams, and always striving for technical excellence. But XP isn't just some abstract philosophy. It's a set of concrete practices, 12 to be exact, that have been proven to work in the real world time and again. Let me walk you through XP's 12 principles, how they empower real-world projects, and why this approach has become a game changer for companies around the globe. The journey begins with the planning game, a collaborative dance between the development team and the customer. It's not about some rigid, upfront plan etched in stone. It's about flexibility, about adapting to change. We sit together, we talk, we understand the business needs, and we break down the work into small, manageable chunks called user stories. But it's not just about blindly saying yes to everything. We also bring in our technical expertise, estimating the effort involved and identifying potential risks. This shared understanding, this constant communication lays the foundation for a successful project. In the world of XP, we don't believe in keeping the customer waiting. We believe in delivering value early and often. Instead of monolithic releases that take months to roll out, we break down the software into small functional increments. These increments, these little victories, are released frequently, giving the customer a chance to see the progress and provide valuable feedback. This iterative approach allows us to adapt to changing requirements and incorporate feedback quickly. It's about staying agile, staying responsive, and keeping the customer at the heart of everything we do. Imagine a team building a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? That's where the system metaphor comes in. It's about creating a shared vocabulary, a common language that everyone on the team understands. We use metaphors, analogies, simple terms to describe the system's architecture and how its different parts interact. This shared vision, this clarity of thought, ensures that everyone is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and costly rework. It's like having a mental map of the project, guiding us towards a cohesive and well-structured solution. Keep it simple. Stupid might sound harsh, but in the world of software, it's a mantra we live by. We believe in the power of simplicity, in the elegance of clean code. We avoid over-engineering, resisting the temptation to add unnecessary complexity. We focus on what's essential, on what delivers value here and now. Why build a cathedral when a small, sturdy house will do? This focus on simplicity makes the code easier to understand, easier to maintain, and less prone to bugs. It's about building software that stands the test of time. Imagine a safety net, catching errors before they become costly problems. That's the power of continuous testing. We write tests, lots of them, and we write them before we write the code. These tests, automated and integrated into our development process, act as a constant feedback mechanism. They tell us if the code works as expected, if any changes have introduced regressions. This constant validation builds confidence, reduces fear of making changes, and allows us to deliver software with speed and agility. Just like a garden needs regular tending, so does our code. Refactoring is about continuously improving the internal structure of the code without changing its external behavior. It's about paying down technical debt, keeping the code clean, maintainable, and efficient. Think of it as spring cleaning for your code base. This constant attention to detail, this commitment to quality, ensures that the code base remains healthy and adaptable, ready to embrace new features and challenges. In XP, we believe in the power of collaboration, in the synergy of two minds working together. Pair programming embodies this belief. Two developers, one screen, one keyboard. One writes the code, the other reviews it in real time, catching errors, suggesting improvements, and ensuring the code is of the highest quality. It's like having a continuous code review, but better. This collaborative approach leads to fewer bugs, better design, and faster development. It's about leveraging the collective intelligence of the team. Gone are the days of code silos, where individuals hoard knowledge and guard their code like precious treasures. In XP, we embrace collective ownership. The code base belongs to everyone, and everyone is empowered to make improvements. This shared responsibility fosters a sense of ownership, encouraging developers to take pride in the entire code base, not just their little corner of it. It also improves code quality and reduces the risk of knowledge bottlenecks. It's about building a team where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best work. Imagine a symphony orchestra, each musician playing their part in perfect harmony. That's the goal of continuous integration. We integrate code changes frequently, multiple times a day, into a shared repository. Each integration triggers an automated build and test process, ensuring that the code base remains stable and that new changes haven't introduced any conflicts. This constant synchronization, this relentless pursuit of integration, allows us to detect problems early when they're easier and cheaper to fix. It's about keeping the project on track, ensuring that we're always moving forward together. We believe in working smarter, not harder. We believe in sustainable pace, in maintaining a healthy work-life balance. The 40-hour week principle is not about slacking off. It's about recognizing that burnout is real, and that a fresh mind is more productive than a tired one. By encouraging reasonable working hours, we create a more sustainable and enjoyable work environment, leading to happier developers and ultimately better software. It's about recognizing that our most valuable asset is our people. Remember the planning game, that beautiful dance of collaboration? Well, it doesn't end there. We believe in having a real live customer, or at least a dedicated customer representative, on site with the development team. This close proximity allows for constant communication, for immediate feedback, for clarifying requirements and resolving issues in real time. It's about breaking down the barriers between us and them, creating a true partnership focused on delivering the best possible product. Imagine reading a book where each chapter was written in a different language. Confusing, right? That's why we have coding standards. These standards, agreed upon by the team, ensure that the code base is consistent, readable, and maintainable. It's not about stifling creativity. It's about ensuring that the code we write is clear, concise, and easy for everyone to understand. This consistency reduces bugs, makes collaboration smoother, and ensures that the code base remains a joy to work with, even as it grows and evolves over time. So there you have it, the 12 principles of extreme programming. These aren't just rules, they're guidelines, a philosophy, a way of working that empowers teams to deliver exceptional software. If you're looking to deep dive into the magic of XP, I highly recommend the book Extreme Programming Explained: Embrace Change by Kent Beck. It's an essential read for anyone passionate about agile practices. Remember, XP is about embracing change, collaborating effectively, and continuously delivering value. It's about building software that matters, software that meets the needs of its users, and software that stands the test of time. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're curious about the practical applicability of extreme programming in real projects, let me know in the comments. I have a treasure trove of insights to share, and I'd love to help you unlock the full potential of XP in your organization.